Hello, everyone. I'm Mark Baker with MAB Notary Services, and I'm here with another episode and topic for us today. And I hope that the viewers, such as you, would get something effective and useful from it. Like I've said in previous videos or episodes, I do this because I choose to do this. I believe in sharing your experiences that in a way that can help others, and that's my intent here. And all I ask that you do is to leave a comment. After looking at this episode, and if you looked at some of the other videos that I've done, um, you can also, express your will to receive more of what I'm doing right here, or you feel that there's something I have yet to cover that you would like to see me do in a setting like this. Um, this is a two-way communication. The only way you and I can communicate is through your comments. And I want this to be beneficial to everyone. I want everyone to be able to gain something from this that they could use in their notary practice. Okay, today's topic is something I believe is something that we should be open about discussing, and I think this topic would you'll find it to be a refresher for some, and for others it may extend your lore about it, and so whatever it does, I hope it positions itself to help you in your notary practice. Okay, and I'm sure it's a very simple question. The topic is very simple. Ask yourself, when do you need a notary? And I know we all have our thoughts about that. Whether for the newcomers, where you may have gotten it from your readings, and from the ones who are the practitioners, they're actually operating, so they should know what their roles are. But even saying that, you'd be surprised how the answer to that question would surprise many. Um, we all realize that notaries play a crucial role in our legal system, ensuring the validity and authenticity of important papers. Let's explore some surprising and common scenarios where notary is essential. Real estate transactions. It's one of the most common areas. Whether you're buying a dream home or selling property, a notary is there to ensure all documents are signed, sealed, and delivered correctly. Imagine closing a deal on your new home only to realize a document isn't legally binding without a notary stamp. I can't imagine not having that stamp, especially if you find yourself in a challenging situation in the future, um, faced with attorneys in a court setting, and you all are having discussions about something you believe you own, and then later to find out that what you're holding in your hand is invalid. You really don't own anything, but what you came in there with. Now, now you don't want to find yourself in a situation like that. So it would behoove you to have all your I's dotted, your T's crossed, and that paper you have, you want to go through a process that would guarantee you that you are the proper owner of it. Agreed? Another scenario would be loan agreements, from mortgages to personal loans. Notarized documents are vital to verify the identities of the involved parties. Don't let your loan fall through due to an unsigned document. A notary can save the day. Legal documents, for instance, wills, power of attorney, and affidavits often require a notary to be considered valid and enforceable. Your last will should stand the test of time. Ensure is notarized to protect your loved ones. You will want your loved ones to find themselves in a situation where you've told them before you decide to depart this place that you've left behind certain things for them, and you have a document that agrees with what you've told them, but you later find out when that document is probated, goes through the court system to prove its validity, that it's worthless. And so, you need to make sure again that you go through the proper channels, having your I's dotted, your T's crossed, and that stamp on them documents from someone who's been licensed and certified to do so. Business contracts. Notarizing business agreements can add an extra layer of authenticity and protection for all parties involved. Elevate your business dealings with the credibility that only a notary can provide. International travel. Parental consent forms for minors traveling abroad or international adoption papers often need to be notarized. Planning a family trip overseas, a notarized consent form can keep your travel smooth and stress-free. So you can see where a notary is important in all the above mentioned. And so, in conclusion, notaries may seem to be an old-fashioned formality, but they play a pivotal role in ensuring legal processes run smoothly and securely. Next time you come across a crucial document, remember the notary's indispensable stamp of approval. Now, I hope you've gotten something from this. For some of you, I'm sure it's just a review of things you already know. But it's always good to go back and go back over things, because it only reinforces what you know. And for the newcomers, I know you've gotten a theory aspect of things, and so it's good to get some practical knowledge. And through the years, as you've worked in the capacity of a notary, you'll learn. Every day is a learning experience, and you should take something from every day to help you with the next. Now, again, I I would like for you to, if you have any questions or would like to see more examples like the ones that were provided today in today's um, video, drop them in the comments below. Remember, a little notary knowledge can go a long way. And again, the way you and I communicate is through your comments. Show me your thoughts and feelings about what was presented to you here today. And if you've watched some of my other videos, you can also make mention of what you liked about it or disliked about it, or what you would like to see more of. We're in this together, and like I said, and I've said many times, numerous times, that I want this to be effective and help you benefit from it. Not just me, coming up with this. And I'm very carefully selecting, meticulously selecting these topics that I believe would help you and strengthen you and make you be that notary I know you want to be, the very best, and help you develop your business. And you can do this by when you're out there given an assignment that you give it your very best, and you leave that those signers feeling that hey, they got the best out there, and with you leaving them that, they have a need for your services again, as well as their friends, family members, and they will think of you because they will remember that experience that you gave be long and lasting and very positive. So that concludes our time today, and I just can't wait till we do this again. I really enjoy doing this. And again, please, you're not compelled to, please like, subscribe, and share to help others. And don't forget, please leave a comment about what you would like to see more of in this type setting. I really would appreciate it. And it helps a lot. It lets me know that you're paying attention and that you're actually getting something from this, and you would love to see or like to see to get something more from it. Until the next time, happy notary.